Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. So first, open the settings of your phone, scroll to battery. Right here you have the daily usage of battery and the apps that uses the most battery, so you can consider using these apps less. Then right here we have the power saving. Enable it. I will keep it disabled because it enables some features that I want to show you how to enable manually. Then into display and enable the dark mode. Also lower the brightness or use the adaptive brightness. Disable the extra brightness. Motion smoothness, select standard. From here screen timeout shorten to around a minute. Then scroll from the top. And here disable every feature you're not currently using, for example a Bluetooth, location or Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.